Yeah, you can drop it on the floor. Alright, yeah, I'm good. Let me... nah. Oh, wait, hold on. Which one has... Oh, shit. If you have anything that takes the 5.56, then yeah, because I have my 8x scope on that one. Yeah, 5.56. Oh my god, this 8x scope is gonna be the bee's knees and the duck's nuts. Oh my god. I'm just like looking right at you and boom, instant down. All I got is a painkiller. Well, I just used the painkiller really quick. I'm just gonna use the first aid just anyways. My face is so fucked up right now. Jesus Christ. I'm like watching you pick up your shit, you look up and boom. I was like, what the fuck?